Hello everyone, it's Kathy. Welcome to my channel, Kathy's Plan, and welcome to another video. I hope that you guys are doing well, still staying safe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you get some ideas or you get some inspiration, tell me about it down in the comments. Also, please share and subscribe. I have to ask for you all to forgive me if I sound weird. I have my rubber bands on with my braces and it alters the way that I speak, so just bear with me. We are in my February monthly, and for my monthly spreads I go on the easy side because I try to write down just a little something for each day. Maybe the weather or something happened at work, or just little things, not really a detailed diary type, just a little something. So I'm gonna go with this Boho Dreams. I love this sticker book. The first time that I saw it, it was Mary Ellen, my Planning with the Bumble. Got this from Amazon. This is the barcode. It's really nice. I have used a lot of this sticker book, and when I use a page, I take the page out so that I know that it's been used. But this is a really nice sticker book. The stickers are fairly different. They're not what you're actually used to with Happy Planner or Live Love Posh, but they're good stickers. You can peel them up once you put them down. And yeah, so we are gonna go ahead and get started. I'm also gonna tie in some of this washi. And like I said, I like to keep it pretty simple on my monthlies. So what I'm thinking is over here, I'd like to put this chair, make kind of sort of like a little scene, I guess, if you will. I don't know how far I want this washi to go, so let's just do 2 squares for now. Continue it or just rip it. Let's get this chair. Put this right here. I want some of that. Kind of like a rug, maybe. Yeah, like that. And I think I want this a little warmer. Right here. We'll put it here. That works. Alright, so let's rip the washi. And then on this side, I want it to do, I know I want the fox at the bottom. Let's go over here. White out notes. And I definitely want the fox down at the bottom. Put it right here, so that I don't have to cut. Just like that. What's gonna go up here? I'm liking this one. Put this one in the top. Oh, I need washi. Just use the wide strip because I'm covering up that white space. But I don't want to cut. I may have to. The sticker's wide, and I can bring some of that. Okay, that may work. Let's not make it complicated, Kate. So I think we're gonna go with, I want to use this. Why do I want these to go together? I don't know. Maybe. Oh, boom. We bring it up a little bit. Now, I need something in this corner. I like that, but maybe if I do this one. Wait, how about if I bring it down? Like this is in the top. What if I bring this down here? Here. I can still see Saturday. All right, that works. Of course, I need just a little piece of washi back there. And I really think this washi will go good. Here, I only have 3 strips. Let's see. See if there's another set. They're kind of in the same color a little, but you know what, up here I'd want the black and white, and let's go with these feathers, and I'm gonna put them right here. I like it. And then here, let's go with this one because it's small. Just put it right here. You know what? Maybe I just put this sticker here. And then we're gonna go in with that, but then that changes the color that I need. That changes the color of the washi. But I don't want it to be all black on this side. You know what I mean? And then over here is where I'll put black on. I'm okay with that. So I have a little, this is cute. I don't want those feathers. I don't know, let's see what we have. This would be nice. What would be here? I could put the rest of that. That's what we'll do. Yep. Put that right on down over this short. Is there another flower? I can put the feathers there. Okay. So we're going to put, I hope you guys can see this. We're going to put this one here. Like so. And then we'll use these last 2 feathers. Contrast though, wait, for here, and do I want to do the boxes first or the lines? We do boxes, so we'll do a box here. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna do my boxes and my lines, and I think we're gonna be good. Yep.